Welcome. In front of me I have Microsoft Surface Laptop Go, and I will show you how you can change your mouse primary button. So you have to go for the settings, next pick devices, switch to mouse, and as you can see here we can select our primary button, so we can go for the left or the right. You have to decide which one you want to set up, and as you can see that's how it looks. So I changed for the right, so right now the right is our main button. If I go for the left, the right one is not working right now, as you can see, so I have to click on the left. And that's how it looks. If you find this tutorial useful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.